JavaScript Crypto is one of those rabbit holes that's as fascinating as it is intimidating. People hear the word crypto and immediately think of Bitcoin, but crypto in JavaScript? Totally different beast. It's all about cryptography, not cryptocurrency. One huge pain point: security. People assume that JavaScript, being client-side, isn't suitable for cryptography. That's because anything running in the browser can be exposed. But let me tell you, there are tools and techniques that make it secure enough for certain use cases. Now, the Web Crypto API is like the Swiss Army knife of browser cryptography. Everything from hashing data to creating digital signatures is doable in just a few lines of code. The best part? No third-party libraries needed. It's built right in. Let's talk hashing first. Hash functions like SHA-256 take data and scramble it into something irreversible. It's perfect for things like password storage because storing plain passwords is a rookie mistake. Don't be that person. Use hashing. A big misconception is that hashing is the same as encrypting. It's not. Encryption scrambles data but allows you to decrypt it later. Hashing, by design, is a one-way ticket. You can check matches but can never go backward. Step by step, using the Web Crypto API to hash something is dead simple. First, you call crypto.subtle.digest, pass in SHA-256 as the hashing algorithm, and feed it your data. The result is a promise that resolves to an array buffer. Easy. Now, if we're talking encryption, symmetric encryption with AES is a major player. Symmetric means the same key is used for encrypting and decrypting. With the Web Crypto API, you can generate a secure random key and encrypt data in minutes. Pain point here? Key management. Seriously, if you lose your key, your encrypted data might as well be gone forever. Pro tip: always have a strategy to store and retrieve keys securely. This is where environment variables or hardware modules come in. Then we've got public key cryptography, like RSA. This is more advanced but super powerful. One key encrypts and another decrypts. It's basically the backbone of SSL and all your HTTPS connections. Your browser thanks JavaScript Crypto every day. For beginners, decoding base 64 strings is one of the most common first tasks. It's not encryption, but it's a way to encode binary data as text. Why? Because everything online is text-friendly, and base 64 makes that conversion simple. But my favorite crypto task in JavaScript? Digital signatures. They prove the authenticity of a message, letting you verify it hasn't been tampered with. Think of them as the notarized stamp for your data. If you're ever skeptical about whether JavaScript Crypto is robust enough, remember this: big tech platforms rely on it daily. They wouldn't roll out subpar security systems. The Web Crypto API was built for the modern web.